Hey, what's up guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Tubshroom Bathtub Drain Strainer. The Tubshroom is a silicone drain protector that catches hair while allowing water to flow through it. It is made of a soft, flexible silicone and fits most standard tub drains, with width from 1.5 inches to 1.75 inches. The unit sits about 2 inches tall. The top of the unit looks like a shirt button, while the bottom has a lip with holes to allow water through. Here's the drain strainer that we currently use. It's made of metal and gets tangled up with hair easily, though it doesn't seem to catch all the hair because every so often we have to fish the pipe and pull out a huge hairball. When cleaning it, we have to pull and rip the hair mask through the grill about once a week. Now we're going to replace the old one with the Tubshroom. The proper placement is to let the Tubshroom stick out of the drain about 1 inch. What I noticed about our pipe is that it gets wider about 1 inch down past these side tabs, which unfortunately allows the Tubshroom to fall into the drain. So we have to be sure to let our Tubshroom sit on top of the tabs in the drain to make it work. When installed, the Tubshroom allows the water to flow freely down the drain without reducing the flow enough to let water accumulate in the tub. Now, after a week, there's plenty of hair in the Tubshroom, much more than on the metal strainer, and for cleaning, it easily unrolls, if you will, off the bottom. Afterward, the plug is pretty clean, so we've been happy with its performance over the past 6 months. Because it catches more hair, we do end up cleaning it more often, but that's better than having to snake the pipes a couple times a year. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.